Hello guys, ito yung ating video for today, for our lunch. Yan. May lemon siya guys, so para wala yung lansa. Tapos lagyan siya ng tomato sauce. Tomato sauce na, tomato sauce, original style. Yan, siya sa bawang, yan. Tsaka sibuyas, ginisan natin. Ayan, siya guys. Worth of 100 pesos. Ayan ang ulam for today. O diba yummy? Ayan siya guys, yung aming lunch. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching guys. Salamat. God bless everyone. God bless. Ayan. Thank you. Ayan ang ating shrimp for today.